so be medicals no be omo a player and we Manchester United at this time I come and say almost all the players omo link you omo to no ebi ono ma o say e ade United for e ben ho na atimi ayehre omo Paulo Dybala for instance obi an Mr. Brandon atimi eba na so Juventus for ebona Brandon say because of say salary United for any willing to give him to ons Emma United embassy akan ene so onya Abrante bi say Harry Maguire Edwards about team wa although say 85 million pounds sterling in the transfer market for a defender there any era biano eya was so be Manchester United be paying obeke omuko fa papa FN say Rio Ferdinand by that time 2002 30 million pounds sterling got to Abrante no bia guys can also but he lived up to the expectation of Bia Edeton so and he was able to play and he won a lot of titles for Manchester United. Nay, is the turn of Harry Maguire Edwards, a player at Leicester is still afraid of you was the about Leicester no Bia that hype and everything was there or call Leicester with me but this a player that's a ball playing centre back. Yamabon and Fanfrechi my Branton Ewanamo. CN defending solid as a defender. A Branton Sans side and the money team. Tinea United for no. You ask yourself, is he an upgrade of what United Ewe? Because in the United Ewe Eric Bertrand Bailly Ewe more team more. Or more a Branton Phil Jones or more Christopher Lloyd. Do not friend Chris Smalling. Ewe more team no. Until we had those centre backs and a Victor Nielsen Lindelof. Omo ewohi odi Harry Maguire airborne obro omo so and the answer is yes and over Eric Bertrand Bailly ofi BRL abba Manchester United and the USA Moindo the first signing no BR cast on the be defender na obeba Boma United after the days of Rio Ferdinand after the days of Nemanja Vidic no or menya that defender obetim add that solidity abba omo back line on mo Bertrand Bailly eba and team amfa Lindelof eba after or on the Express with Benfica. No beer cans Abrantenos ever or Bayern so Abranten you could see flashes of Abranten quality but consistency Abranten 8 Mfama Manchester United. Rebecca say he has not gotten the right partner because Phil Jones Eboa you could see Abranten early kakra say Ada Chris Smalling Eboa the same thing. The Harry Maguire Ebano United 4 want to say Abranten Baba Adia Vehel Van Dijk Eddie Emma Bobo Fenese Liverpool or Bayern Liverpool Echenom Eliki. Amo concede goals no. Abranten Bayern wa bomb side and sweat team ati and Liverpool elbow game. I want to say Van Dijk ewa chion kwa go be a team Emma. Tenea Maguire eba chion that's the thing United for expecting and after Maguire no we much on ma. So who a defense of these players a power as good as any team in the top 5 European leagues. And the Lindelof ever partner Maguire Edwards Chironmo. No Amenya Brent Aaron Wan Bissaka last season in the Premier League was a total revelation. Now Brent more more Econ Kadima Crystal last season. Brent said who said him Brent in the previous campaign. Now Brent edged the best goalkeeper in England no. Last season that and an Ecuador Allison Ramses Becker on Edison Moraes de Santana. The most clean sheet keeper to me keep Allison and the PV player and the team of the year the best goalkeeper in that team was Edison Moraes de Santana. They were the year team now Banton Airbar coming from the back or send a new contract now power. I think social with that team a bit more bomb and they were team qualify once again to the Champions League or made for one there. If you have a brand in Manya Village and a match a brand or mom that performance and all the Boku Chelsea and even in the first season Manchester United this second after Manchester United man Nani Onya Bruno Fernandes and Onya SMS that's Sergei Milinkovic Savic Ebane even Pobamp Elqua power it will be a solid midfield United beating Elqua going into the new season and Obama Mwana so Manya the speedster, the pacey Daniel James in the preseason Abranten had a lot of bite and a lot of pace and incisive runs at the Bayern United or more flanks on more because going this now United elbow game you could see players are being played out of positions where Rashford 18 balls and number 11 Nom elbow Anthony Martial as a number 7 all those players they are strikers I mean number 9 sir yeah near you see in those flanks and Ben so what James on that bite at air ball flanks on the man and the Premiership, where teams don't be successful, teams that have a lot of pace and bite in their weight and in their flanks. Look at Man City, for instance. You talk of Leroy Sané, you talk of Raheem Shaquille Sterling, our flanks on them, Edibon Airbar. They come with a lot of venom. They born Etomika. And they as a defender, you'll be able to stop the attacks. Look at Liverpool, for instance. Liverpool, they will talk of Sadio Mane, they talk of Mohamed Salah, players, a lot of pace. Into Edborn Eba, who's a Mikano, anyone more. Look at Boko FM, Tottenham Space, whom means soon, animal. Almost sans or Lucas Mora, Rodriguez, and Sebam S. O. Mutinea, United Air than James. Almost a good PYS answer them. Almost 50 million and a quarter per David Neresh Campos. Boko FM, yeah, some for 70 million Emra. So United Essence and David Neresh Campos ever come and wingers no papa. United for me, they were able to even challenge in the top 3. ABR, the top 2 already, or me above them in terms of project. Government project now, I drew baby also with team A of the results. That's why and no England now, any the treble winners. And Liverpool and so almost project now and the Giant Club almost a team at climaxing and they almost edge the Champions League. And the United edge this project as for me, I think the Harry Maguire signing no ever pave way. And there are a lot of players at team Abba because this a team and Kosia in the Europa League, not even the Champions League. But so what me are trying talent in the shape of Harry Maguire, Nabo whoever Man City air panel, Bruno Fernandes. Na Man City for air pen. That's what me are trying those players. Tell you the caliber of team Manchester United. That signing for me a good deal. Edema Manchester United. That's a good deal. Edema Harry Maguire errors because unless not better any other height because in the Three Lions team in the World Cup, Brighton excel Edema England. But at Manchester United team in recent years, their defenders have been their problem no. And there's a Brighton and excel here. And money didn't pause out because more. For years to come, yeah, can't play on this solidity. Every United defense near Harry Maguire Edwards Eddie or now. Power Donny van der Beek. About then say Rema for me contact some sign and see a kind of bubukono. Paul Pogba and so say or back problem in where the press conference or Papa Defense only Ghana social or say a brand and a back problem in on United squad number and they against AC Milan. And you ask yourself, say, those two players, how do they come together? And they Real Madrid air per Medford because Medford now they lack pace in their Medford. Tony Kroos air slower and they are better to America and close to the runs of opponents. No? Luka Modric, you could see I lose a lot of pace on Nusumu. Casemiro as good tackle as any in the modern day of football. But all of them now none of them is as pacey as Paul Pogba or Donny van der Beek. And we are Real Madrid in the preseason against Atletico de Madrid. Or Mulusu by 7 goals to 3. Now set Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, no air chasing other to tackle the midfield of Boko FM say Atletico de Madrid because they had the pacey and the ever willing to win the ball Sao Niegas and a Koke Hoge Resurrection Meridio on 50 animal. They had Joe Felix no the ball air to me can no musa dia ode second air share nam my dream emu nam no musa nay Ramad enya set players there be in case of anytime you share set players no on betting me propel on attacks and they've seen those players in Donny van der Beek and Benjamin Paul Pogba. And we are Donny van der Beek at Ajax Amsterdam. Last season, he was virtual and unsung hero. Maf airball Matis Delete. No airball Brent Frankie de Jong. Mama air can Dusan Tadic. But hardly will you hear people mention of Donny van der Beek. But Brent no more that almost system of airball. No man and make air very thick because their system. They were playing the 4-3-3 formation. But in that 4-3-3 formation, they on the attacking, no elbow as a 5-man defense. Frankie de Jong will enter into the defense. Now, my 3 back line or now a bench defense no Sar Masraoui. I got the right wing, when I come as a wing back. Said Antonio Conte elbow in the team no. Now left side on Nicolas Hernan Tagliafico. No, team up Peredo. Now Donny van der Beek now. and call board the offensive midfielder no. Onon abe will bring into the middle of Dusan Tadic and a David Neres Campos. So from the midfield position, he was playing as more or like the elusive striker. No, room, not the ball, no. At them two where the goal Moshe against Boko FN say I just answered and answer Tottenham. It was the epitome of everything I'm making. A Chirenia maker about Donny van der Beek or Rome in the first leg of Wembley. Eddie Bond Tottenham, Eddie T at Tottenham space. Tinaraman and set a player, you add that pace into their midfield. In Paul Pogba, Roman Essence and your nose Ebeka van der Beek one. And the competition one ever bred players like Toni Kroos and Luka Modric and they have no competitor because we play on Tom bench on man. A young players are having on Ellen their trade. We are brand friend take Fusa Kubwa or a young player at age 18 all by Real Madrid team no. Rodrigo Goyas and the opposite in every midfield on another chance as a winger and Tafe no share a new position as some about the Real Madrid team. Player like Federico Valverde at Deportivo La Corona, better team and living up to the hype and everything. No, the air free on my friend Uruguay, ever Real Madrid team. We are Real Madrid, 18 man. Those players, Paul Pogba and a brand different Donny van der Beek for me, a step in the right direction. To know AS Kuwaka the marker for airports and I reached that agreement. No, now Real Madrid supporters now a moment and because only Donny van der Beek, now Paul Pogba and they all shot 8-12 here or more airco PM our training camp. Our Cardiff Wales, Nani, Omne Simlan Elbow, no Oshada Ekase, and the back pro next to now better members of the team today. Players in the Ebofu, a brand Paul Pogba. South Nigeria, coaching staff of Beer and Tias say, a brand decided to all play that truancy. Because bear in mind, a month ago, a brand and preseason, okay, players in there say, unreported for preseason. Nani, also show this attitude. Bear in mind, say, I can't barely some 4 days. They are there the transfer another 5 days. Transfer window in England air close to. It's not Pogba areas all the time as air close. One yes here. United for N20. United for Pogba be free team Nina rely on Mate Menu and Bikabo and Sam, Christian Eriksen, Sergei Milinkovic-Savic, and Bruno Fernandes. For me, Pogba and the oil in United operation United for Emily Bromitimia Bantana to help their project in the long run. Now, today is the day of Super Cups. Ogo PM of France, French Super Cup air between Stade Rennais, Omni Paris Saint-Germain. In England, the community short, Seromusi Ekanano, and us air coso. Ogo PM or Germany Sua, the Super Cup ends air between Dortmund and Mia Samia, the Bavarian Giants, that by Munich. Miss Charles here from the German Super Cup. Dortmund against Bayern Munich. Ogo PMU or the German Liga last season, Boko G Air Bayern Munich. And Omana Sanji, the DFB Pokal, that's the German Cup edition of Manaso. And Omo Edgy, those two trophies, Dortmund become the second. Omia and Dakunya and the Bayern Munich elbow in the in the transfer market, the two teams have been busy. Dortmund has signed a lot of players to augment their already impressive squad the last season. Omidi second in the Bundesliga Andalusian Favre. And they Omanya the experienced Mats Hummels Abeka Omidi defenders no. And now over Mats Hummels adi Rebecca their defense no say last season man Dortmund Chelsea Bayern Munich for the Bundesliga trophy no. Now because no any that player now when the going was tough no munya that player that cool head everyone say munya betre achere league betim ageno no mean that play because all the players were youngsters. Look at Manu Akanji last season, Abdou Diallo. They were all young players among airborne into the system. They don't aim how to win trophy. Dan Axel Zagadou. No fit the lower side of Paris Saint-Germain never the Bayern Munich and Dortmund team. Today, Unya Mats Hummels. No a partner Manu Akanji. It tells you that their defense is solid. And today against Bayern Munich, they will get those two players to shield the back line for them. And their life side last name problem because they were playing Ashraf Hakimi, who started his playing career at Real Madrid Castilla as a right fullback. At Real Madrid senior side, no deputized Edema Daniel Carvajal Ramos. And they will PM or Dortmund no ace as a left back because coach Lucien Favre, he clearly doesn't believe in Marcel Schmelzer. And to know when you Brent fan say Nico Schulz from Hoffenheim, he is an 8-time cut German international was second 8 times and Germany actually 8 another 2 goals and I'm national team no and last is now the Diallo ever left back Mano Akanji Tenay Ewa Benedico shows at their left back Rafael Guerrero attacking player on pedal left position able into at Lorient now Ben Etabak I'm 11 at Portugal team no and I thought I'm pushing the left back at Dortmund he plays at number 11 Tenay their backline, they will have Nico Schultz at their left back. No man, Abrante Mas Hummels, Manuel Kanji, right full position. In the preseason, over Abrante Ashraf Hakimi, number 2 on the man, number L conquer the moment 2 year Ashraf Hakimi number 2. Now we are Abrante Nico Schultz, Mas Hummels, now we Manuel Kanji, now they are Medford, Axel Witsel, and Thomas Delaney. Elmo Eshel did the backline. They've gotten impressive players like Torgan Hazard, the younger brother of Abrante Fenise, Eden Michalza, player of Real Madrid, and the Alfie Mönchengladbach, Ebesiaka, and Mabo Kevin Dortmund. The game, no, Abrante I slide into a doubt for this game. And Julian Brandt, coach, I Fenise, German national team coach Joachim Löw, also walk up, no. Or say this is a player that can play in different positions, so it's better for me in my system in the World Cup than Leroy Sané. A brand of Julian Brandt from Bayern Nufia Leverkusen, and also the PMO every second my Dortmund team. No, this a game that will have everything. We will not get Julian Brandt, we will not get Torgan Hazard, but so Marco Reus, now Mario Götze, now Paco Alcacer, anyone. Bear in mind say this a trophy. Who could PM Germany between the two teams, Bayern Munich at 7, Dortmund at 5, between the two of them at 12, and almost almost on your main essence chair, or we now at 7 to main area most successful clubs in the history of the German Spark of the no Messiano to have everything. And if you look at the preseason, Dortmund about 5 games, they won everything. Their last 2 games in the preseason, they scored 10 goals, conceding just 1, albeit against a lower side in Sweden. That's FC Zurich. Any Omboko IFN say St. Gallen. And I'm 8 shown by 6 goals to 0 and I'm 4 goals to 1. Bayern Munich in the third of Papa FN say Niko Kovacina and share any results. The no Messia did use 4 by Dortmund side in the German Super Cup power. This is the first trophy of the season. Obia pre send is a bit for me. Bayern Munich may start at the favorite because the last game they won by 5 goals to 0 against Dortmund. The Bay Arena, and outside the Allianz Arena, and the across of the Westphalian Stadion. That's Signal Iduna. Dortmund for me may be able to edge out this game power.
Madiba no. My Anton Son can still be to my live. Our Facebook platform is Metro 94.1. Facebook Live. Metro 94.1. Okay, we show program no. We share no comment. Then waiting one like page no. Na yen straight to making kind kama akwame me ntiwe
yeah power my initiative for nemo makwa Bamfamba Academic and Macho Sports and Anope my mentor Clifford
Clifford Chibafo
yeah Clifford Chibafo
the official director of sports
power
Clifford say everything in catch no
power me say me jonda me ka say Harry Edward Maguire and no akwa say he is Harry Jacob Maguire nti ono unofficial director of the sports Clifford ye chia we bi obia
Yanko.
Power weekend where there akwakoye transfers any league openers in terms of A games. Na me pesa me share transfers ne kaka. Na me share transfers no so me pesa me share FC Barcelona. Na ene me share FC Barcelona. In some PFU on so mo pekwa on befa so offload the Philippe Coutinho. And in free FC Barcelona. Akwakoye huge issue with Barcelona say. Quite many a befa swaja Coutinho kwan. After say you spending 140 million pounds. And they are Philippe Coutinho. At the same time, you also trying to cut 24 million euros a year. And a review. Now say we divided by 12 now. Month be and Philippe Coutinho and be 2 million euros. No they are we a season no. Now power. Barcelona have bad businesses be that. I'm sure say they need to set up and correct some mistakes. And when Spanish La Liga na, yenim se Messi wo FC Barcelona de. Se bibia tutomo a, na season ni sha ase a. Emu ye din a, ubenya la no Messi a. obetimi asori agina de ma FC Barcelona nya resource ba power o hwe omu direct competitors and you man Real Madrid here in the transfer market and you man Atletico Madrid here in the transfer market anyhow o mu sisi omu team no me nim de ekoso FC Barcelona omu facing these challenges because they are not known for that. They are not known for that. It's we FC Barcelona fan. We are frustrated.
Academic and mature sports.
Ebeto just say Arsenal. Epe Felipe Coutinho on loan for the past 24 hours because say Arsenal. Epe sa mo fa Coutinho de ne be partner Granit Xhaka mo e o fifi onum only Lucas Torreira mo e wa Arsenal fifi onum mo stable.